Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So your girl is currently trying to build her grown woman closet, and because the focus of that is really quality, accessibility, sustainability for a good price, a decent price, there's a lot coming in and a lot going out. So today's video is going to be a haul with Quince, where I will be showing you guys their stuff and showing you a lot of fall essentials and how I would piece outfits together, and really how you can get all the things that I listed and still look cute with your outfits. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, the first thing that I have, I'm excited because actually I already did a short on this, but I just feel like it's the perfect black leather tote bag. If you think work bag, carry-on, mommy bag, I feel like one of the first things you think of is durable, because it needs to be able to do stuff. It needs to be able to hold your computer. It needs to be able to withstand flying, sitting on the floor. It has to be able to withstand milk all in it. So I like a good structured tote bag. It's not going to fall through at the bottom. And this black, now it does come in multiple colors, but I went with black because, again, I just feel like it's just so simple. It makes life so simple, because like black, you can wear with everything. You can bring this everywhere, no matter what reason you're carrying this as your go-to tote bag. Like, hold on, let me stand up. Like, hello? Perfect. Okay, now let's get into the clothes. Okay, first things first, dresses. You need dresses. You need dresses for every season, but especially fall. And do we see the colors? Olive, chocolate. Okay, so this is the first dress. This color, y'all know green is my favorite color, but this is screaming fall. I like how this has stretch to it. This is an extra small, but there's stretch in here, so definitely either get your size or maybe even size down a little bit. But this comes right to my ankles, and it's just perfect for dinner or an occasion where it's like you need to dress up a little bit, but you don't have to do the most, right? You don't need a gown or something like that. But this is definitely going to get the job done. Slip dresses and I in the fall go together real bad. Again, it could be like a date night type thing. However, there are lots of weddings in the fall. And if you're trying to figure out, especially if you saw that commotion about wedding guest attire, if you're trying to figure out what to wear to a wedding, you can't really go wrong with a slip dress. This is not taking attention away from the bride, but it's still elegant, still elevated. This color, do you see this color on me? And then you add in the fact that it's silk, a silk slip dress. Yeah. First of all, black. You need black year round. But black in the fall not only is an outfit in itself, but it also helps you with completing other outfits. So first up is this shirt, a little more of a high collar, ruching on the side, and then dress pants. You need a good pair of dress pants, not jeans, not leather pants. Hello? All I have to do is add on a nice pointy toe black shoe, and it's giving I own the company. I'm actually ready for my TED Talk. And you see how simple it is? Of course, you can wear these separately with other things, but black on black on black, if you add on black shoes. Hold on. Hello? Hold on. I know you see it. Okay, and the last piece that I'm going to put on together is really going to show you how, if you buy the right basics, the right pieces for your collection, you can have as many outfits as you want, and you really just need a good base layer. Now, pretty simple white shirt, blue jeans. A button-down white shirt can do so much for you in the fall. It just adds to a lot of different outfits. But you know what you absolutely positively need in the fall? Sweaters. Because watch this. Boom. Add a sweater vest, and see how it's just elevated? It's giving fall. This color. And again, get those basics, then you can make as many outfits as you want to, because maybe you like the top half of this, but you're not ready to let go of mini skirts yet. Little brown pleated or peplum mini skirt. With this, fall is you can wear a sweater over your shoulders season. You can also just wear the sweater. Nice cashmere sweater, gonna keep you warm throughout the fall and winter. Looks cute. This color, this blue, again, fall colors. 3 outfits. And that was 3 outfits. And of course you can just take the white shirt off and wear just the sweater and the jeans. So that's actually 4 outfits right there. And all you need are the basics. All right, y'all, and those were the last pieces that I had to try on. And I just feel so sophisticated after trying all that on. I feel like like I said, I have a TED Talk that I need to get to. The outfits were just giving elevated. They were giving, I feel important now after putting that on. And they were all screaming fall. If I'm not going somewhere important, I'm going to take a walk in the park, and I can do that in the fall and not get cold. And I feel like the brand Quince is just giving what I'm talking about when I say I want to elevate my closet and really build my grown woman collection. The clothes are quality, they're giving sophisticated, and you know, for the price points, for the quality clothing items, the quality materials that you're getting, and it's accessible, go ahead and check them out. Everything that I talked about in this video will be linked in the description down below, making it easier for you to shop. They do offer free shipping on all orders and 365 days of returns. Now, what do we say about sustainability? Because baby, if you don't like it, go ahead, send it back. Maybe you'll find something else that you like, but ain't no reason for you to just have all those clothes in your closet that you're not even checking for. So that is it for this video. Let me know down below if you have anything from them, how you like them. I hope seeing me test out has helped any of you thinking of checking the brand out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.